Where is my credit card? Wait, my card is gone. Oh no.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today, Emma has a problem. A big problem. She can't find her credit card. Will she stay calm? Will the bank help her? Let's find out and learn useful English along the way.
Okay, let's see. Cash, my ID. Where's my card? That's weird. I always keep it here. Wait, no, come on. Maybe it's in my bag. No, it's not here. Oh no, I think I lost it.
Emma says, "Where's my card?" This means, I don't know where my card is. Let's repeat. Repeat after me. Where's my card? Where's my card? Excellent. Another useful phrase. I think I lost it. Repeat. I think I lost it. One more time. I think I lost it. Great job.
Hello, thanks for calling. How can I help you today?
Hi, I can't find my credit card. I think I lost it.
Okay, don't worry. We'll figure it out. When did you last see it?
I'm not sure. Maybe this morning? I used it at a supermarket.
Got it. Let's secure your account first.
Okay, thank you.
Did you hear Emma? She said, I can't find my credit card. This is a very useful sentence. Repeat after me. I can't find my credit card. Again. I can't find my credit card. Excellent. The bank agent also says, don't worry. Repeat. Don't worry. Very good.
Would you like me to freeze the card?
Yes, please. Just in case someone finds it.
No problem. Give me a second. All right, it's done. Your card is frozen.
Oh, wow. That's good. Thank you so much. I was really worried.
I understand. You're not the first person this has happened to.
That actually makes me feel better.
Let's learn a new word. Freeze. Freeze means temporarily stop the card. Repeat. Freeze. Freeze. Wonderful. Now repeat this important sentence. Please freeze my card. Again. Please freeze my card. Excellent.
Very useful sentence. I can't find my credit card. Repeat after me. I can't find my credit card. Again. I can't find my credit card. Excellent. Another important sentence. I think I lost it. Repeat. I think I lost it. Again. I think I lost it. Perfect.
All right. Before we continue, I just need to confirm a few details.
Sure.
Can I have your full name?
Emma Parker.
Thank you. And your date of birth?
May 14th, 1998.
Perfect. And can you confirm your address?
Yeah, it's 25 Green Street.
Great. Everything matches.
Good.
The agent says, can you confirm your address? Confirm means to check that information is correct. Repeat. Can you confirm your address? Again, can you confirm your address? Great work!
Let's take a quick look at your recent transactions. Do you have your banking app open?
Yep, just a second. Okay, it's open.
Good. Do you see a coffee purchase from this morning?
Yeah, that's mine.
And a supermarket payment?
Yep, that was me too.
All right, everything looks normal so far. I don't see anything suspicious.
That's a huge relief.
Looks like you noticed the problem pretty quickly.
Thankfully, yes.
Emma says, "Whew, that's a huge relief." Relief means you feel better because the problem is not as bad as you thought. Repeat. That's a huge relief. Again. That's a huge relief. Excellent.
If you notice any charges you don't recognize, give us a call right away.
I will.
We're available 24/7, so don't hesitate.
That's good to know. Honestly, I was starting to panic.
That's completely normal. Most people panic when they lose a card.
Okay, now I feel a little less silly.
Useful phrase. I was starting to panic. Repeat. I was starting to panic. Again. I was starting to panic. Fantastic.
So, what happens now? Can I get a new card?
Absolutely. We'll send you a replacement card.
Great! How long does that usually take?
Usually around 5 to 7 business days.
Okay, that's not too bad.
We'll mail it to the address we have on file.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem at all.
Very useful question. Can I get a new card? Repeat after me. Can I get a new card? Again. Can I get a new card? Perfect. Another useful phrase. How long does that usually take? Again. How long does that usually take? Excellent.
You should receive a confirmation email shortly.
Okay, I'll keep an eye out for it.
Your old card is frozen, and your replacement card is already being processed.
That's great. Thank you for helping me.
You're very welcome. Anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think that's everything.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks again. Bye.
Let's practice one more phrase. Thank you for helping me. Repeat. Thank you for helping me. Again. Thank you for helping me. Great job.
Wow. That could have been a lot worse. I was really scared for a minute there. At least everything is under control now. You know, today actually turned out okay. Still, I'm definitely checking my wallet more often from now on. Problem solved. Let's go home.
Emma solved the problem. She acted quickly. She stayed calm, and she protected her account. Let's see how she feels now. Let's review today's English. Repeat after me. Where's my card? I think I lost it. I can't find my credit card. Please freeze my card. That's a huge relief. I was starting to panic. Can I get a new card? How long does that usually take? Thank you for helping me. Fantastic! You learned useful English for a real-life emergency. Keep practicing every day, and we'll see you in the next lesson.